Today, we would like to present some useful information about gasoline direct injection.
Did you already watch our tech nugget about high pressure pumps? There we provide you with an overview about gasoline direct injection systems and why this is so important for you in the workshops.
In this Bosch TechNugget episode now, we will take a closer look at Bosch high pressure injectors. What types of injectors does Bosch offer?
There are two types of high pressure injection valves, piezo and solenoid valves. Piezo valves have advantages in their opening speed and in the distribution of the fuel. However, they are very expensive. Since the current generation of solenoid valves is getting just as fast, the piezo types are getting rarer in future. That's why today we focus mainly on the solenoid valves. The short design types are usually mounted on the side of the cylinder head, where the long design is for a position vertically above the combustion chamber. Bosch offers different solenoid valve generations, which differ basically in the pressures and their sizes.
Let's take a look at the high pressure injectors and how they work. The gasoline is provided by the high pressure pump through the fuel rail to the injectors. The injector chamber is always filled with gasoline at same pressure like in the fuel rail. The current of the engine control unit creates an electromagnetic field around the coil which triggers the lift of the valve needle, and with this, the gasoline flow through the injector. When the needle is opened, gasoline is injected into combustion chamber. The injected quantity is driven by needle opening duration controlled by the engine control unit. The correct spray pattern is defined by geometry of spray holes which are designed for each engine type individually.
How to install and disassemble high pressure injectors. Often you can pull them out by hand because they do not get stuck as strongly as the injectors do in diesel engines. Defective high pressure injectors should be replaced with new ones. New injectors come ready to install out of the box. If not all of them are to be replaced, the old ones need to be fitted with new Teflon seal rings, O-rings and remaining parts from the spare part kit. Failing to do so increases the chance of leakage and occurs mainly not immediately but after a certain operation period.
For repair, there are spare part kits, a toolkit, and a detailed instruction video on how this works. Pay attention, there are certain vehicles which require the input of a certain code from the new injector to the engine control unit. You may know this from diesel injectors.
And this information can be found in Bosch Easytronic or of course in the documents of the vehicle manufacturer.
What errors may occur? Low fuel quality, particles in the fuel system, or follow-on failures from other defects can cause premature failures. Rare problems that can occasionally occur are blocked nozzle holes or defects due to excessive wear.
On Easytronic you will find detailed information such as signal images and measured values for the in-depth diagnosis of the component.
In addition, the handling of the tool as well as the ultrasonic cleaning is described in detail.
So if you ever need new high-pressure injectors, Bosch offers these, ready to install right out of the box. They have a high-quality standard and are very robust. The demand for competent maintenance and repair of gasoline direct injection vehicles will remain or likely increase in future. Bosch is your partner in the workshops by providing you with reliable spare parts and tools,
comprehensive diagnostic equipment and
training also on demand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and visit our website.